Welcome to Da Nang. Welcome to one of my favorite banh mi's here in the country. I think I've gone here since 3 years or something. It's so good. They did, however, made it more expensive, but it's pretty normal. Everywhere is inflation. So it's like 25,000 dong now, or 35,000 with extra meat. I think a lot of people asked for it, and now they got it. It was very good. It was very good. And Chickpea Eatery is also here now. So this street name is Nguyen Dui Hieu An Hai. This is the street name, guys. Also, they changed into a motorbike rental here. A lot has changed here. I'm today with my #1 member here of my channel. We are on a walk. He's a healthy guy now. He's a fitness athlete. He has his water in his hand. No beer anymore. You gotta be careful. If you don't drink for 3 weeks, they will take away your passport, your Aussie passport. Oh, you gotta be careful, man.
Still
water.
Drink who does?
Now I have it. Now I have it on camera that he drink water. Healthy bloke. Okay, let's go. Let's have a little walk here. I haven't been in the street for long, but it's always interesting. Also, Chickpea Eatery for all my vegan friends here. This is a very good place. They have many stores right now. And David also told me chickpea is very good health of protein. If I tell this to Marcus, maybe he will go in there. But I don't even know if they have chickpeas in there at the Chickpea Eatery. But there you can get some fruits, coconuts. This is like a local market here. So the local market would be to the right, somewhere to the right. But here around the local market, you can always buy a lot of things, household items, brooms, fruits, vegetables, a lot of things. As you can see, a lot of people go in there and out. That's the way to the local market. And on the way to the local market, there's also left and right a lot of small little places to buy things. What is this? Is it sweet potatoes?
Yeah.
Sweet potatoes?
Sweet potato.
Interesting. There's a Winmart over there. Yeah, this is like the parallel street to the big main roads. I will have it in the screen somewhere. Also, you can buy some flowers here. Don't get the yellow ones unless someone died. I did the wrong thing with them. My wife one time. When I just started dating her, I gave her this yellow wives for the ancestries. Yeah, those ones. Those ones are not for love, guys. It's for the deaf. This is the local market over there. At least the entrance. A lot of durian is everywhere. I can smell the durian here. You can buy some boon, some noodles here. Fat noodles, I love it. All kinds of noodles you can get here. Bananas. Now we actually want to get a blender for David. That's why we're walking now to the FPT store. It's all the way straight and then to the left. But that's pretty a lot of going on here. Not that easy to walk. Oh wow, there are some avocados over there. Huh. And we are very close to the tourist area. So this is still everything walkable from the Antung area. But here's like the hustle and bustle. Oh wow, they just demolished this building, yeah. This is how it looks, guys. The end boss. It's crazy. As you can see here, if you're bad to walk, it's not the best place to walk here. Look at this, banh mi chai. Vegan. Vegan banh mi or vegetarian, one of them both, I'm not 100% sure. But yeah, you can get some vegan food here. But also there's bundao Unterm Dom? Okay, that's weird. Lots of fresh coconuts here. The green ones, the young ones, and then the older ones. Look at this. There are some old coconuts, just like you, David. I got some wrinkles too. Sometimes I'm looking at my face when I have a photo. I'm like, oh my God, where does that come from? I'm pretty sure I got the gray hair from my wife.
You use
When
cleansing cream, don't you? Don't you use that cleansing cream? Oh, more beautiful, more beautiful.
Oh, yeah. Look at this, you can get some prescription glasses. There's so everywhere you can buy some glasses. Hey, David, you need some new glasses, man. Your Ellen DeGeneres glasses are,
don't say
I think. You gotta get some cool glasses. Maybe like Marcus, that would be cool. Maybe I'm gonna get you some glasses from Thailand, the same that Marcus has. You can be partner look. I think I'm going to 26.
July.
Yeah, for one night only, and then I fly from there to Germany.
Oh, that's different.
Yep.
That's for a month, yeah?
I will be in Germany for 2 weeks, I think, but I will continue walking, doing walking tours there as well, so you can see where I'm from.
Put in the jail.
Oh, look at this. What is this meat there? It's a pork belly? Yes, it's also pork belly. It's a whole pork there, and chicken, and duck, and goose. They have so many things. Oh wow, look at this. They have everything here. Oh, what is that?
It's a chicken or a duck.
What is this?
It's butterfly. Chicken.
Oh, roasted duck.
Yeah, duck.
Roasted duck and chicken. Ah, okay, cool.
More duck here.
Nice.
Sesame seeds.
Wow. That looks delicious. And look at this. There's a whole pig. Nice. Hello.
Good.
Lovely roasted animals. I'm so sorry for my vegans here. But yeah. Always check this. Unless there's cho, like I think cho is dog, you don't want to have that, okay? So the CHO you don't want to have. But usually they tell you. Or they usually only sell this one thing. So I don't think there's any dog be sold in this neighborhood. But there is somewhere in Da Nang it is. Sadly. Are you ready for your blender and then the bender?
Yes.
And we can have some margaritas or something?
Not yet.
Or some Bloody Marys you're gonna make?
What do they call them? Mocktails, mocktails.
Mocktails, oh my God.
That's how bad it's going.
That's what I learned from the Aussies. When they stop drinking for a week, they say, yo man, I'm off the piss.
Off the grog.
Off the grog. 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 Grog or grog?
Grog.
Grog.
Yeah, G-R-O-G. Grog.
Grog, okay, I'm off the grog. So for all my guys who don't know Australian English, we're learning today the Australian English word for today. You know what, I'm not even calling it English anymore, I just call it Australian. The Australian word for today is grog, off the grog. I'm off the piss, mate. Ooh,
It's an old one.
that looks good. Bun pateso.
Wait, I had your first one.
The bun bars?
Yeah, last week. I mean, birthday.
But that looks good, man. What is that?
I don't like the white stuff around it, but the pork meat inside was beautiful.
Of course, you like pork meat and eggs and. Look at this. Some helmets for you. You know, you wanna hear that a funny story from today?
Yeah, go on.
So, yesterday I was editing a video, and then I panically realized my monitor was off. It's like poof! In 1 second it went off, and I'm like, oh my god, my monitor is broken. So I'm like, oh my! I'm texting Marcus. We need to tomorrow morning. We need to go and buy a monitor, and we have to make a vlog then so we can show how to buy a monitor or something like that for the German vlog channel. And then we bought a monitor. We go back, and I'm like, oh my god! And then I tried to unplug the old monitor, and then I realized it's the wrong plug. And then I saw the plug for the monitor, and the plug was out. Can you imagine that?
Yeah,
so it's still working.
You're lucky you didn't, black it out.
Now I have 2 monitors. Yeah, we can try it out here. So now I have 2 monitors. It's okay, but I'm getting old. And I tried it out to turn off and on and unplugged it all the time, but it's still like. I just mistakenly, yeah, this is awesome. The household items, nice and cold. We always buy everything here. You should already know us now. There we go. This is what you need for your smoothies or whatever, right? Is that what you need? Like this? Yeah. But you know what? What did I learn? What did I learn from that mistake today? It's my wife's fault.
Yeah.
You know why? Because I'm married and my wife has to tell me these things. If I don't know where my things are, she needs to know.
So that's what happens when you put the signature on the paper.
Yeah.
You're told what to do.
Yeah, you know.
Oh, that's bad. I told you. Signature, you're mine. You're doing what you tell them. Listen, telling you.
She needs to tell me where everything is because I don't know. And I'm getting old. I'm forgetting everything. But that's why I'm married now. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Check out this video here and see you in the next vlog.